do I? Today I'm going to teach you how to braid hair.
Before you start braiding your hair, you're going to need a few basic items such as bobby pins, ponytail bands, a comb, small bands for the bottom of the braid, and a brush. First, I'm going to show you how to do a basic ponytail. I'm going to show you slowly so that you can see all the steps that I'm doing. First, you're the hair back into your left hand and hold it. You're going to open a ponytail band with your right hand and pull the hair through. Then we're going to twist the band and pull the hair through again. You're going to want to repeat this step until the ponytail band is tight against the hair. When it is tight, you're going to split the hair into two sections. Pull them apart so that the ponytail is tight against the head. One more time, a little faster. Pull the hair back, open the band, pull the hair through, twist, and do it again. Split the hair into two sections and pull them tight against the head. Now I'm going to show you how to create a braided ponytail. Take the ponytail you just made and split it into 3 equal sections. Now you're going to take the right section and put it over the middle. Do the same thing with the left side. Put it over the middle section. Right side over and left side over. Right side over the middle and left side over the middle. Repeat this process to the bottom of the hair. When you get to the bottom of the hair, you are going to secure it tight with another band. So we're going to do the same thing we did before. Just pull the hair through, twist, pull the hair through, twist, and now you have a braided ponytail. Now I'm going to show you how to do a ponytail braid on yourself. You will start with the ponytail, then split your own hair into 3 equal sections. Same thing as before, we're going to take the right side and put it over the middle section, and then the left side over the middle section. This can be kind of tricky to do on yourself. It might be helpful to use a mirror to see what you are doing. You repeat this process right over middle and left over middle until you get to the bottom of your hair. You will then secure it with a ponytail band the same way we did before. Now you have a braided ponytail on yourself. I asked my daughter to show how to do a braided ponytail on herself so that you can see how it looks different with straight hair. See how she pulls those sections right over middle and left over middle all the way down to the bottom. Don't feel bad if you don't get these techniques right away. They take a lot of time and practice, but don't give up. You can do this. Now I'm going to show you how to do a braided bun. Another name for the braided bun is a ballerina bun. You just start with a ponytail braid that you just made. Then you will be using a bobby pin to secure the braid in a circle around the top of the ponytail like this. Notice that I am securing the braid around the ponytail in different areas around the bun. One on the top. And here we go, one last one right here at the bottom of the braid. We are going to secure that last piece of hair into the bun. And there you have it, a braided ballerina bun. Next, I'm going to quickly show you what it looks like to have a half hair braid. We are going to be doing the same thing as before, but now we are going to be doing it with only half the section of hair. This is just an example of another hairdo that you can do with this braid. So the same thing as before, we are just putting it into a ponytail. Splitting the hair into 3 sections and braiding it right over left, left over right, all the way down. If you decide to twist the hair into a ballerina bun, it will look something like this. Have fun with it! Now I'm going to show you how to do a French braid. This can be tricky, so we are going to start slowly with grabbing the top section of your hair and splitting it into 3 equal sections. The braid starts just as our previous braid did, right over left and left over right. This time, however, before you put the right section over the middle section, you're going to add a little bit more hair. Pull that hair into your right section, then put the whole new section over the middle. Do the same thing with the left side. Grab some more hair and pull it all over the middle. You are going to repeat this all the way down. Grab the right section, pull it over the middle. Grab the left section, pull the whole thing over the middle. Repeat this until you get to the bottom of the head. When there is no more hair to pull into the braid, finish it off like we did with the normal braids. Here is how to do a French braid on yourself. Same thing as on somebody else, you're going to grab the top of your hair and split it into 3 sections. Start off with right over middle, left over middle. Then grab a new section of hair and combine it into your right and left sections like so. Right section, grab some hair. Left section, grab some hair. You get to the bottom of the head, you're going to keep braiding like a normal braid and finish it off with a ponytail band. Once again, I asked my daughter to show you on her hair so you can see the difference between straight and curly hair. Watch her grab those sections, combine them, and pull them over the middle. Right section over the middle, left section over the middle. It'll definitely take you a few tries to get this technique down. Don't give up. You can do this. Then finish the braid just like you would a normal one. Tie off the ponytail and there you go. You can now French braid your own hair. The last thing I'm going to show you how to do today is a side braid on yourself. You might find it easier to start off doing a side braid instead of a French braid or a back braid. Pull all of your hair over to the side of your head and split it into 3 sections. Do the same thing as before, left over middle, right over middle, continuing down until all of your hair is braided. Secure with a ponytail. And voila! You have an amazing side braid.
Mom?